Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Today I will start a new lesson about simple machine. Okay? Uh, at first I want to ask you a question why you are using this word or why you are calling simple machine those machine by saying it is simple because it helps us to do more work with less energy. Okay? So you exhibit a less effort so you can do more work. Okay? It's like here, as we see in the pictures, it is inclined plane. Okay? And also here we have a wheel and axle. Okay? So we will see during this lesson the types of simple machines. Okay? The first, what are simple machines? Simple machines make work easier and also they have a less or no moving parts. So the number of moving parts in simple machine is very limited. Okay, so how it can help us to make the work easier? It can help us to make the work easier by changing the direction of energy, direction of force, direction of force, or the amount of force needed to do something. So they are doing two things, or this or this, changing the direction of force or the amount of force needed to do something. Okay. There are six different simple machines. We have inclined plane, screw, pulley, lever, wheel and axle, wedge, and we will know each one of them. Okay, so again, they help us to do the work with a less energy or make the work easier. So we call it simple machine. It's make our life easier. So we can do it with a less effort. The first one we have pulley. This is like in this picture. Okay, we can see this girl. It's pull the rope from one side and the load is lifted from the another one. So as we see here, let's have a pen. Okay, it is like a wheel, grooved wheel. Okay, and this is a rope. Okay, and this is a girl that exert a force here so we can see the load is lifted. Okay, so it is one of the types of simple machine which is make the work easier. Okay, pulley have a wheel that allow you to change the direction of force. Okay, so it pulls down the rope and whatever is attracted to the another side, it is lifted up. Okay, so it is also make the work easier. This is the first one. The second one, which is lever. Lever, when you push down on a rock. Okay, from one side, the other side is lifted. Okay, it's go up, so it is goes down, and this part is goes up, so we can move the heavy rock. Okay, levers can also use to lift heavy things like the rock, like we can see in this picture. Furniture, seesaw also used as a lever, and we have trolley. Okay, so all of them is called lever. Is also types of simple machine which is make the work easier and also help us to lift a heavy rocks with less effort. Wedge, which is one of simple machines. It's used to split materials into two parts. As we see, split of which is a knife, one of the types of wedge. It's used to split the apple into two parts. And also, if we have a log of tree, so it will split the log of tree into two parts. Okay, so by placing the end of wedge into a log, you can hit it with a hammer, which is a type also of wedge. Okay, so it can change the direction of force and push a log apart. Okay, so it is used to push the things apart or to split materials apart. Okay, inclined plane, it moves the heavy things up. Okay, so we are using this so we can lift this object up with less effort. Okay, يبقى to move a heavy things up, to lift them straight up. Okay, so a ramp is a common example of inclined plane. It takes a longer to go up, but it's easier. It takes a long time, but it's very easier. Okay, so let's revise. We talked about pulley, which is like a wheel inside its grooves and connected with the ropes. Okay, and we have a lever, which is make the work easier and lift the heavy objects. And we have a wedge, which is like the knife, and the hammer, which is used to split things or material apart. We have a wheel and axle, which is connected with like a bar to make the work easier. It's like a wheel with a bar. Wheel and axle, it is used as a lever. Screw, it's type of inclined our rounded inclined plane. And we have inclined plane, which is lower from one side and higher from the another side. And this is all about a simple machine. It's a very, very easy lesson, and I will make a revision again and again. Hope you are all fine.